I didn't think I'd ever say this, but a pair of sunglasses just made me forget about my phone. For real. I slipped on Meta's brand new Ray-Ban display glasses, and within minutes I was messaging, navigating, listening to music, and even translating conversations, all without touching my pocket once. And let me tell you, this hands-on was nothing like I expected. At first glance, they look like normal Ray-Bans. Stylish, lightweight, no futuristic cyborg vibes. But the second you turn them on, boom, a crisp little display floats in your right eye. Not AR, not clunky VR, just a clean private window. Indoors, outdoors, even under brutal sunlight, I could still see it clearly. And here's the kicker. Nobody else could tell it was even on, but here's where it gets crazy. The neural wristband. You don't swipe, you don't yell commands, you just flick a finger or pinch your hand, and the glasses obey. The first time I twisted my fingers like I was turning a volume knob and the music actually changed, I laughed out loud. It feels like magic. Subtle, instant, almost creepy how well it works. So what can they actually do? I tested WhatsApp. Messages popped up. I whispered a reply, and it nailed every word. I tried live captions in a noisy room, and somehow it isolated just the person I was looking at. Translation? Slight delay, but still blew my mind seeing English appear right in my vision mid-conversation. Maps? The arrow turned as my head turned. No more, wait, which way am I facing? Moments. Oh, and the case folds flat into your pocket. A small detail, but honestly, brilliant. After an hour hands-on, here's my honest take. These aren't perfect. The app selection is tiny. The camera is just okay. And yes, $799 is steep. But for the first time, smart glasses didn't feel like a gimmick. They felt useful. So yeah, Meta's Ray-Ban display glasses aren't killing phones today. But if this is what Gen 1 looks like, the future of wearables just got a lot more interesting. Would you wear them daily? Or keep your phone glued to your hand? Let me know below, because this is a debate worth having.